Today's engineering environment is one full of challenges and unpredictability. Time constraints, unplanned breakdowns, and poor record keeping creates more pressure on crew. Seahub is a platform designed to improve the organisation and control engineers have over their maintenance programs and equipment.
Seahub is a cloud-based management platform designed for engineers and captains to manage daily maintenance tasks, record real-time inventory levels, and manage vessel-related projects.
We wanted to drive change in the maintenance software market. We're focused heavily on developing a user-friendly yet powerful platform for all levels of technical understanding.
Whether it's scheduling an annual service, planning an upcoming yard period, or even logging your onboard inventory levels, Seahub is designed to give you the flexibility to organise your time and resources more efficiently. Seahub is improving the way engineers manage their daily routines, resulting in safer, more reliable and more organised programs. We invite you to join us in driving this new wave of innovation.